Conjunctions are music to my ears. That means if something that you hear is music to your ears and it makes you feel very happy. So how do I say conjunction? Let's sound out the word together in parts. Conjunction. Now let's say the whole word together. Conjunction. What is a conjunction? Joins or hooks together groups of words and sentences. Joseph ate a hot dog. Joseph ate French fries. Now Joseph ate a hot dog and French fries. So and joined the similar ideas together. Sarah went to the park. Sarah met her friend Michelle. So Sarah went to the park and met her friend Michelle. So and joins together. Or shows choice. It was raining, we brought an umbrella. So it was raining, so we brought an umbrella. So shows that the second idea is the result of the first. He likes baseball, he joined the team. He likes baseball, so he joined the team. But he wanted to buy a game. He didn't have any money. He wanted to buy a game, but he didn't have any money. But joins two opposite ideas together. He wanted to go to school. He was sick. He wanted to go to school, but he was sick. But shows difference. Coordinating conjunctions for to introduce a reason and to show an additional idea, nor negative form of or, but to limit or contradict, or to show choices or options, yet to limit or contradict, so to introduce an effect or result. So coordinating conjunctions join sentence elements that are the same. We can memorize them with the acronym FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Joining two or more sentences. Eric wants to play basketball. Annie wants to play saucer. Coordinating conjunctions and their meanings. Like for we use for because, nor, am not, or not, neither. And is used in addition. So can you find the conjunctions in the following sentences? Let's begin. That is neither, not I said, what I meant, nor is a conjunction. Most of the visitors were happy just sitting around in the shade, for it had been a long, dusty trip on the train. For the mother bear carried her baby and briefcase. And I know how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the piano, yet I don't know how to play other songs yet. Beethoven can play the piano or compose music in his free time. Or our dad checked the grill but forgot to check the oven. But Sally is intelligent and her younger sister is beautiful. And who wants to be a millionaire? Everybody, let's see how to play this game. So you'll answer me before I give you the answer. To be a millionaire. Question number 1 goes here. I am thirsty dash hungry. And you win. Question number 2. We can walk to school dash take a bus. Or question number 3. I will study every night dash I can pass the test. So question number 4. I wanted to buy a book dash I did not have money. But question number 5. The bus stopped dash the man got off. And question number 6. The waiter was not very nice dash the food was delicious. But question number 7. Joel did not have enough money for a burger dash a drink. And question number 8. CT brought an umbrella dash it did not rain. But question number 9. John was not well dash he went to the doctor. So question number 10. You can take the bus dash the cable car to go to Santos. Or $1,000,000 question. Jane wanted to go home dash Peter asked her to stay. But congratulations for winning the money. Thank you.